Hey guys. So as I've looked over Taylor's annotations, I think that she's done a really good job. She pointed out several things that I probably wouldn't have on my own. But once I saw it highlighted and I looked over her notes, I realized, oh hey, there's, different pronouns and different punctuation that I probably would have overlooked myself. Um, for example, let me see where it is. On this one, it says I was listening to some songs on the radio, and the one I like best is Walking Alone. And I love it because I probably would have overlooked that comma right there. But Taylor pointed it out and, explained why there was a comma there. And she did a really good job on that. Also, how she pointed out that and how it's a demonstrative pronoun. Um, I probably would have overlooked it. And so, thank you, Taylor. Good job on that. But one thing that I noticed that you had left out is talking about France there, and that is a pronoun because it's a specific place. It's talking about where Josiah is saying that he's seeing you reading it somewhere in France with your uniform and your rifle leaning against the tree. So it's just a pronoun. But I think that you done a really good job, Taylor, and overall, this whole project and Savannah both have done a good job. So good job, girls.